How to replace a human touch Super Novo X foot and calf massager. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstered panel from the front of the backrest pad. Pry the retaining clip off each of the two mounting posts by pulling outward on the tongue and then pulling upward on the clip to remove it. If there are black plastic spacers on the mounting posts, remove and discard them. Slide the massager to the left off the mounting post, to the right off the other mounting post, then rest it on the floor. Disconnect the air hose and connector, then remove the massager from the chair. Now, let's replace it. To install the new massager, first connect the connector and install the air hose all the way onto the fitting. Next, slide the left-hand mounting bracket onto the mounting post, then replace the clip to secure it. Be sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Install the right-hand mounting bracket onto the mounting post, then replace the clip to secure it. Be sure the tongue of the clip is facing the inside of the chair. Zip the foot and calf massager upholstered panel to the backrest pad. Plug in the chair, then power it on. Power on the remote. Press the power button again, then select power off to restore the chair. The chair is restored when the door touch panel lights turn from red to blue and the remote automatically powers off.